Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Tuesday, April 18th, 2023. It is 10:04 and 5 seconds, a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and today's research, restoring vision. So let's hop to it here. As scientists achieve promising results towards restoring vision in blindness caused by cellular degeneration in the eye, date April 13th, 2023. Source: Duke Medical School. The laboratory has developed a novel method that enables the production of photoreceptor progenitor cells resembling those in human embryos. Transplantation of these cells into experimental models has yielded partial restoration of retinal function. The degeneration of photoreceptors in the eye is a significant cause of declining vision that can eventually lead to blindness, and for which there is currently no effective treatment. As photoreceptor degeneration occurs in a variety of inherited retinal diseases, such as retinitis pigmentosa, a rare eye disease that breaks down cells in the retina over time and eventually causes vision loss and age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision impairment worldwide. The research team developed a procedure to grow human embryonic stem cells in the presence of purified laminin proteins that are involved in normal development of human retinas. In the presence of the laminins, stem cells can be directed to differentiable into photoreceptor progenitor cells, responsible for converting light into signals that are sent to the brain. When these cells were transplanted from the damaged retinas, the preclinical models showed significant recovery of vision. A diagnostic test called electroretinogram also identified significant recovery in the retina's via electrical activity in the retina in response to a light stimulus. The transplanted cells established connections with surrounding retinal cells and nerves in the inner retina. They also survived and functioned for many weeks after transplantation. Moving forward, the team hopes to refine their method to make it simpler and achieve more consistent results than earlier attempts to explore stem cell therapy for photoreceptor cell replacement. It is exciting to find these results, which suggest a promising route toward using stem cells to treat those forms of visual deterioration and blindness caused by the loss of photoreceptors. The method may also be useful for understanding the molecular and cellular pathways that drive the progression of macular degeneration, perhaps leading to the development of other therapeutic approaches. The next challenge for the researchers is to explore the efficacy of their method in the models of photoreceptor degeneration that more closely match the human condition. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.